what I love most about fall is that we get to wear our scarves, our gloves, and our cute little hats. So I went ahead and ordered me another scarf, and this one is like a nude color. If you saw my previous vlog of the wedding that I went to, then you've already seen this one. But if you haven't, then I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this one looks like. And I just wanted to do like a short little review of how it looks and the quality of the scarf, in case you guys wanted to order one as well. And the company I ordered this one from is Gesso, and at the end of the video I'll make sure to show you the tag that's in the scarf so you can see the correct spelling of it, because I may not be pronouncing it the correct way. But here the scarf is. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the packaging, and it was rolled just a little bit more tightly than this. It wasn't this sloppy. I had already taken it out. So as you can see here, it's really thin, but not too thin. It's thin enough to cover up your hair if you don't want it showing. I'm not too much worried about my hair being shown through the scarf, but whenever I wore it, I was able to do just like a double fold, and it was really nice. It was hot when I wore it, but it was able to keep the sun off the sides of my face, so I'm sure in the winter or like the fall this would be perfect too. It's really light and it doesn't move a whole lot, so for the people that do want to wear this scarf to make sure that their hair is being hidden, then I think this would be perfect for you guys. I had makeup on and I didn't have any stains on it, and it didn't tear, and I did a lot of moving this day while I was at the wedding. But here's the name of the scarf, just in case you guys want to see it. And I guess that's it. If you want to know anything else about this scarf or the company, I got this scarf, actually I think it was for $5 when they had their little sale going on. But yeah, just hit me up if you have any questions about the scarf or anything else about the quality. But overall, I'm pretty satisfied with the material. The fabric is really nice and it smells really good too. Have a good night.